Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we might be in a little bit of a different location. I'm just upstairs in my room. It's super gloomy outside, so I'm trying to find the best light possible. But today we are going to be talking about some DIY cleaning / home hacks that you can use that only require 1 to 2 ingredients. I am not a DIY person whatsoever, so if you see me talking about DIY anything, it's because it was convenient for me. It didn't require a lot of effort. I'm just not that type of girl. A lot of these I've already done throughout my channel. Some of these I haven't even shared with you guys, but I have them on my phone so I can refer back to them when I need to. So I thought I would share them with you guys in today's video. So I am going to just kind of talk you guys through it. You guys will see me actually doing these DIYs. Make sure you get out a pen and paper so you can write these down if you want to. So yeah, let's get started. All the DIYs for this video include rubbing alcohol, Dawn dish soap, cleaning vinegar, scent beads, any scent of your choice, essential oils, dryer balls, a couple of spray bottles, and last but not least, baking soda. I've been too hurt before, you're not that special. Just give it up, I think I've had enough. Okay, so the first hack is gonna be for the glass in your shower, and I know a lot of you guys have it. Even though it's really pretty, it does get foggy, those soap spots all over it, and we just hate cleaning it, right? So what you're gonna do for this hack is you're gonna take a spray bottle, Dawn dish soap, and some vinegar. Use equal parts of both, mix it into your spray bottle, spray it all over your shower glass door, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse it off really good, and then there you have it. You have brand new glass in your shower. Tell so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. So for this next hack, you're gonna need some cotton pads and some essential oil. So what you're gonna do is drizzle some essential oil onto your cotton pad and place that at the bottom of your trash can. It's gonna help mask some of that smell. If you have food in your trash can in the kitchen, you wanna put it in your bathroom trash cans because those are smaller, so you're really gonna get that aroma of the essential oils. So try this one out. So before I put my cotton balls at the bottom of the trash can, I decided to give it a clean really quick because I noticed that there was stuff all over the sides and inside of the trash can. So I'm just gonna wipe it down really quick before I put my essential oils in. So one of my favorite things I like to do in the laundry room when I'm putting things in the dryer is use essential oils on my little wool dryer balls. And all you do is drop a few drops of oil onto each of your dryer balls and then throw it in with whatever you're drying. Now, don't do this if you're sensitive to smells because this lingers and it smells so good. But if you do like the smell of whatever oils you're into, definitely try this one out because it does linger. So I like to do it on my sheets from time to time, my towels, and I love doing it on my robe. So it just makes everything smell so good. So this next hack, we're gonna be cleaning the inside of our oven door. So what you're gonna do is take some baking soda and sprinkle it all over the inside of your door, because we all know we get that grime, that grease, that oil that just gets stuck on the door over time. And you're just gonna sprinkle that baking soda all over the glass on your door. Then you're gonna take a wet, or you're gonna take a damp towel, lay that over your baking soda and let that sit. I think I let mine sit for maybe like 30 minutes. And then all that grime and grease is really just gonna lift up into that baking soda somehow. And you're just gonna wipe it all off. You'll see that everything is nice and clean. Moving on, so when it comes to washing fresh produce or your fruit, there are so many different ways that you can do it. So what you can do is use baking soda. This is gonna help clean your fruit in a safe way. So what you're gonna do is get a bowl of water. You're gonna put your fresh produce in, sprinkle some baking soda, swish it around and let it sit for a little bit, rinse it off really good, and there you have it, clean produce. All you needed was baking soda. On to the next one. This is how to sanitize your toothbrushes using only baking soda and vinegar. You're gonna take some baking soda and vinegar, mix it well into like a little cup or something, put the toothbrushes in and let it sit for a little while, rinse it with cold water, and there you have sanitized toothbrushes. Kids are always dropping their toothbrushes on the floor. They might even end up in their little trash can. It's not gonna harm the toothbrush, and obviously it's safe ingredients to use for your kids. You probably want to soak them individually if you're doing your kids' toothbrushes. These are brand new. I just took them out of the package, so that's why I just threw them in the same cup, but it's really just for the sake of this video. But I normally would soak them separately. While they are soaking, I am going to go ahead and wipe down the kids' countertop with the Dawn and vinegar spray that I showed you guys earlier. So this next hack is one of my favorites because I've gone through bottles of this stuff, and that is making your own Febreze. You only need a few ingredients. So you're gonna need a scoop of scent beads, some hot water, and a couple tablespoons of rubbing alcohol or witch hazel. You're gonna put that all into a spray bottle. Make sure the scent beads are dissolved. I like to spray this all over my curtains from time to time, on my couch, my pillows, even my accent rugs or my carpet. It just smells so good. Moving on to the laundry room. So I actually wasn't gonna include this one into this video, but I went to throw some white towels in the washing machine, and I figured this could be a hack. A lot of people ask me how I keep my white towels white all the time, and that's just because I throw in maybe a half a cup of baking soda from time to time in the washing machine with my towels, and that really helps them stay soft. Soda just keeps my towels white for a longer period of time. Run out of stainless steel cleaner and you need something in a pinch, friends or people coming over to your house and you need to clean up your kitchen, get some baking soda and Dawn dish soap, mix them into a bowl, just a little at a time, maybe like a slime almost. Apply this to any of your stainless steel appliances in your kitchen. Then make sure to wipe it off with a dry microfiber towel. And you want that really good shine, try this one out. And that's it for today's video. If you do any of these DIYs at your home, or if you have your own hacks that you want to share, leave them down in the comments. Let's talk. But if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.